Hello, Kongmin. Good. Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yes, wow, your haircut looks nice. How are you today, Min?
I'm fine.
That's really great. Okay, now I want you to look at your book. Are you ready?
Yes.
Nice. So this time we're going to look and read, then choose the correct word. So there is one example for this. Okay, look, you can take this with you to eat on a trip. So it is a picnic. What about number one? It's your turn. This person can take you to different places in the car. Who is it?
A different
That's right. I want you to say driver.
driver.
Great. What about number two? Some kids invite their classmates to sit on their birthday. What is
A
it?
party.
Very good. Okay, number three. You watch these on your tablet, laptop, or computer and at the cinema. What is it?
A mover.
Yes. Okay, one more movies.
Movies.
Very good. Number four. Children can run and practice climbing outside here. What is it?
Roller set.
Very good. Okay. Oh, by the way, it's a playground. Okay. Children can run and practice climbing outside here. It's a playground. Okay, a roller skate, it's something that we use to play. Yes. Okay, and lastly, this person takes your temperature when you are ill. Who is it?
A nurse.
Well done. So for this one, I'm gonna give you one, two, three, four cards. Great, Kongmin. Now in here, Min, let's look and read.
If you make spelling mistakes in the reading and writing, you will not get a mark for the answers. Even if you have matches the correct word to the sentence. Rem, remember to check the spellings at the finish the exercise.
Yes. So in here, let's practice writing the correct spelling of the answers. But first, let me ask you a question. So what was the last birthday party that you went to? Was it the birthday of your mom, the birthday of your classmate, cousin, or who? Look, what was the last birthday party that you went to, Min? Just like me. I went to my cousin's birthday party, and that was the last birthday party that I went to. How about you? Okay, wait a minute. What was the last birthday party that you went to, and what did you do?
Bữa tiệc sinh nhật gần đây nhất mà bạn đã tham dự là gì và bạn đã làm gì?
It was. Oh, one more.
Bữa tiệc sinh nhật gần đây nhất mà bạn đã tham dự là gì và bạn đã làm gì?
What was the last birthday party mean? Was it the birthday of your mom, sister, classmate, friend, grandma? Okay, so here it is. When was the last time that you went to a party?
Lần cuối cùng bạn đi dự tiệc là khi nào?
Um,
Was
was
was it last week or yesterday? Yasmin, it was
this was
last week, last January, February, July, June. When?
June.
Very good. It was June. Great. What did you do at the party? Did you eat? Did you sing? Did you play games? Did you dance?
Eat.
Yes, very good. Okay. So what's your favorite movie mean? What's your favorite movie? Do you like watching movies? Yes or no?
Um, yes.
Very good. What is your favorite movie? I like. What do you like? I like.
I like.
Yasmin, I like. Do you like Tom and Jerry or Doraemon?
Doraemon.
Great job. Okay, now what food and drink do you take when you have a picnic?
Mm,
What food and drink do you take when you have a picnic?
Bạn dùng đồ ăn và đồ uống gì khi đi dã ngoại?
mm. Um,
Do you take fruit, junk food, burger,
chicken.
bread? Wow, that's great, mean. Okay, now look, is there a hospital near your house?
Có bệnh viện nào gần nhà bạn không?
Yes or no?
No.
No. All right, mean. Okay, now, is someone in your family a dentist, a nurse, or a doctor?
Có ai đó trong gia đình bạn là nha sĩ hay bác sĩ?
A nurse. Mom.
Wow, your mom is a nurse. That's really nice. Where does your mom work? She works in the. Where does she work? She works in the hospital. Okay, I want you to say she works in the hospital.
He was in the hospital.
Very good. Do you want to be a nurse? Yes or no? Do you want to be a nurse? Yes or no? Do you want to be a nurse, Min? Do you want to be a nurse?
Bạn có muốn trở thành y tá không?
No.
Very good. Okay. Now, this time, Min, you're going to look, read the sentence, and complete it. So look at number 1. You can choose your answers from here. So let's look and read. Sometimes
When you are not
when you are not well
sick,
and your body is
well,
okay, and your body is hot, you have a temperature. How about number 2?
a pet can itch. Is
Okay.
got ed to be very quiet. No, asleep.
Okay. Quiet at home. All right. Now, me, I want you to say headache. Headache.
Candy.
Very good. Good idea.
Good idea.
Nice. Okay, now what about the last one, Min? Be be
Be terrible when you hungry. Sam is buy her chocolate ice cream on Sunday
and then
then he dad duty. Duty.
a terrible stomach ache. All right. Now look, I want you to say huge. Huge.
You
Very good. Okay, now hungry.
hungry.
Great job, Min. Okay, now let's look and answer the question. What can you do when you're cold? What can you do? I can. What can you do when you're cold, Min? I can. Look, we can wear a jacket. All right, now what's a good thing when you're tired? Okay, listen. What's a good thing to do when you're tired?
Mệt mỏi thì làm gì là tốt?
As if.
That's right. The good thing to do when we're tired is to sleep and have a rest. Great. Now look, what can you do when your hands are dirty? What can you
Wash
do
my
when
hands.
Very good. You are smart. Okay. Now, look at the people in here mean. There are many people. So we're going to look, read, and complete the sentences. So look, these people are in a hospital. Now look at the boy. What is the boy on the seat holding? Look at him. He's holding some beautiful flowers. Now your turn, Min. What can you buy in the cafe?
Is cookie and fruit.
Very good. Okay, now what about this one? What's one of the girls reading about? She's reading.
Book.
Yes, great job, Min. She's reading a book. Very good. Okay, now what about number three? What is the man with the red phone doing? What is he doing? He is.
Is
Look, what's he doing? He is. He is calling. Okay, now who is smiling at the baby? Who is smiling at the baby? It's the
daughter.
very good. Okay, now look at this one. Write two sentences about the picture. You can do it. Write two sentences about the picture.
Viết 2 câu về bức tranh.
For example, okay, now look. The doctor is smiling at the baby. Now your turn, Min. What's your sentence?
The doctor is open the door.
Yes, very good. Okay, now last one.
The girls is
The girls.
as wearing the phone.
Yes, very good. Give me a high five, Min. Nice. All right. So for that one, you've got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 stars. Very good, Min. Okay. Now, Look at this one. I want you to look and read. In reading and writing part 6,
With reading and writing part 6, you may get more much if you can write compound sentence using India with and but of and because.
very good. Now let's look at this one. Listen and color the picture. Number 1. Okay. Can you see the plant in the cafe? Color it green, please.
One more time.
Okay. Can you see the plant in the cafe? Color it green, please. So this is an example. The plant is green in the cafe. Now your turn, Min. Okay. Can you see the boy who's holding some flowers? Color his hair black, please. Can you see the boy who's holding some flowers? Color his hair black, please. Wow, very good. Okay, so you've got another 2 stars for that. So today, Min, you've got 14 stars in total. Keep up the good work. Okay, do you have any question?
No questions.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a good night and see you on Friday. Bye, Min.
Bye.